Today's Infantry Brigade Combat Team, or IBCT, is an expeditionary combined arms formation optimized for dismounted operations in complex terrain. The IBCT is the Army's most numerous, tactically versatile, strategically deployable, and adaptive combat formation. Its mission is to disrupt or destroy enemy military forces, control land areas including populations and resources, and be prepared to conduct combat operations to protect U.S. national interests. Today's IBCTs are designed for deployment around the world to fight and win in a multi-domain operational environment. Future conflict will change the way the U.S. Army conducts operations. Anticipation of adversary capabilities will shape key advancements within the IBCT to remain dominant. Because potential adversaries possess anti-access and area denial, or A2AD, capabilities that prevent direct seizure of air or seaports, the IBCT must maneuver from greater distances into undefended locations and then move rapidly to seize entry points for follow-on forces. This requires tactical mobility on or off-road to attack from multiple directions more swiftly than enemies can respond. Looking ahead to 2028, future IBCTs will require improved mobility, sensing, and lethality to execute missions in a multi-domain operational environment against any adversary. In this scenario, an IBCT conducts a movement to contact against a battalion-sized near-peer enemy force that is conducting an area defense to protect a landing strip. The IBCT's mission is to seize the landing strip, but first must seize two sub-objectives in order to isolate the landing strip with a decisive operations maneuver. The IBCT airlands on landing strips offset from the objective to avoid enemy A2AD systems. It will converge from unexpected directions using a modern suite of combat variants supported by JLTV, LRV, ISV, and MPF. The IBCT uses its organic extended range systems and air small system sensor assets during the reconnaissance phase of the operation to set the conditions for the attack. These systems provide the IBCT early warning of EW threats and increase situational awareness in the enemy's disruption zone. The cavalry squadron deploys ahead of the main body with the LRV to conduct reconnaissance in force in the enemy's disruption zone. Once conditions are set, the IBCT deploys two of its infantry battalions to seize objectives Dog and Rat. Once objectives Rat and Dog are seized, the IBCT's 3rd Infantry Battalion assaults objective Cat. Upon completion of the seizure of the landing strip, the IBCT reconsolidates and reorganizes on the objective. The IBCT, displaced by its subordinate infantry battalions, establishes defensive positions on each objective. The IBCT utilizes UAS, SEMA, and EW assets forward of the objective in support of their defensive positions in preparation of a counterattack by the enemy. The 2028 MDO-capable IBCT, with the additional sensors, mobility, and lethality, will continue to present multiple dilemmas to the enemy and overcome the challenges needed to win against capable and adaptive enemies.